I will not put American boots on the ground in Syria. I will not pursue an open-ended action like Iraq or Afghanistan. I will not pursue a prolonged air campaign like Libya or Kosovo. This would be a targeted strike to achieve a clear objective.
President Obama gave a speech to the nation from the East Room in the White House to make his case to the American public on the situation in Syria. My first impression is that this was a very direct speech by the president to address the American public and essentially say what we expected him to say all along, that the United States has a moral obligation and a national security obligation to respond to the atrocity of Bashar al-Assad in Syria using chemical weapons to gas his own people.
For nearly 7 decades, the United States has been the anchor of global security. This has meant doing more than forging international agreements. It has meant enforcing them.
One of my other big impressions was what President Obama didn't say in the speech. He didn't say in any detail exactly what he would expect the Syrian government to do in order to comply with this diplomatic effort and avert a strike. He also didn't talk about how much he's going to expect the United Nations to play a role. He's been very critical of the United Nations for not doing its part to resolve the situation in Syria, and so the question of whether he's going to use the United Nations or try to do this in some other diplomatic way was left open.
It's too early to tell whether this offer will succeed, and any agreement must verify that the Assad regime keeps its commitments.
Finally, another thing left unclear is exactly how long this is going to stretch out for. We all sort of felt a kind of intense buildup to this speech with the expectation that there would be a vote in Congress, there might be a strike sometime soon. Now, with the kind of uncertainty of a diplomatic effort that could stretch on for days, if not weeks, there's not a lot of clarity about where we go from here.
Meanwhile, I've ordered our military to maintain their current posture, to keep the pressure on Assad, and to be in a position to respond if diplomacy fails. Our ideals and principles, as well as our national security, are at stake in Syria.